Hey everyone, guess what? I just had the most nerve-wracking interview at the best IT company in the country. I really hope I get this job, it's my dream.
That's amazing, Divya. You're a brilliant coder. I'm sure they'll hire you.
Yeah, Divya, your IT skills are top-notch. Fingers crossed for you.
Thanks, guys. It means a lot. But you know what's crazy? I also applied for this dance contest. And I'm eagerly waiting for an invitation. Can you imagine balancing a job at the top IT firm and dancing?
Wow, Divya, that's a lot on your plate. But if anyone can handle it, it's you. You've always been an incredible dancer.
Absolutely, Divya. You've got the talent and the determination. You can do both.
Your letter, please.
Oh my gosh, guys. I got the job. I got the job at the IT company. I can't believe it.
That's fantastic, Divya. I knew you could do it.
Congratulations, Divya. You deserve it.
Thanks, Raj, Sarah. I'm over the moon right now. Hello? Oh, it's from the dance contest. Yes. I got the invitation to the dance contest. I can't believe this day.
This is unbelievable, Divya. You're on fire today.
You're on a winning streak, Divya. We're so happy for you.
I can't even express how I feel right now. I've always dreamed of working in that IT company. And now I get to do what I love, dance, as well.
You've got a bright future ahead, Divya. We'll be cheering for you all the way.
And don't forget, we're here to support you, no matter what.
You too. Sorry I've been MIA lately. It's been insane.
No worries, Divya. We've been following your journey. Your IT projects are making waves. And your dance performances are breathtaking.
Seriously, Divya. You're a superstar. How do you manage it all?
It's not easy. But when you're passionate about something, you find a way. And you guys are my biggest motivation.
We're proud of you, Divya. You're an inspiration.
Absolutely. You've shown us that dreams are worth chasing.
Sorry, I need to take this call. Guess what, guys? I just got an offer to perform at a prestigious dance festival next month.
That's incredible, Divya. You're unstoppable.
We always knew you'd reach the stars.
I'm on cloud 9 right now. It's like all my dreams are coming true.
Well, Divya, you've earned every bit of this success. We couldn't be happier for you.
And remember, we're here to celebrate every milestone with you.
You too. Sorry I've been MIA lately. It's been insane.
No worries, Divya. We've been following your journey. Your IT projects are making waves. And your dance performances are breathtaking.
Seriously, Divya. You're a superstar. How do you manage it all?
It's not easy. But when you're passionate about something, you find a way. And you guys are my biggest motivation.
We're proud of you, Divya. You're an inspiration.
Absolutely. You've shown us that dreams are worth chasing.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.